Hello, I'm Bob Cook, the designer and maker of the Quiver pen holders. Today we're going to demonstrate how to install our Pocket A6 size single pen quiver onto a Pocket A6 size notebook. Due to the elastic design of our quivers, the quiver will fit on a number of notebook brands including Moleskine, Rhodia, Leuchtturm, Ecosystem, basically any notebook brand in the A6 size. And again, because of our unique elastic design, there's no messy adhesives or pen loops that need to be stuck onto the back of one notebook that will prevent your pen holder from going from notebook to notebook to notebook. To install the quiver, we simply slide it over the front cover like so, and we're just going to stretch it and move it close to the spine, about this distance away. We're going to do the exact same thing on the back and slide it over about the same distance to the spine. And then once it's installed, you'll use the elastic closure of the notebook to position the quiver fully in place. Now what you may notice is that when the new quiver is installed, due to the amount of leather we use and the design, it will tend to hold the notebook cover up a little bit. But after a couple of weeks, the leather softens, and with the use of the elastic strap, your notebook cover will again lay nice and flat. Once installed, you simply install your favorite pen, and suddenly you've got a very unique and very elegant pen holder, keeping your favorite pen right where it should be.